Good morning students, welcome back to GK and Aptitude class, and today we will discuss chapter number 40, data analysis. Data analysis is a process of evaluating data using analytical and logical reasoning. Big Bakery, John Bakery, Cake Bakery and Pastry Bakery are four bakeries in Model Town. Their sales statistics is given below. So name of bakeries is given. Okay. How many chips packet they have sold, biscuits, cake, cold drinks, and total they have sold. So this is given. Okay. So here some questions are given. We will see these statistics and then we will answer. Which bakery has sold maximum cakes? So cakes, let us see cakes. So which bakery has sold maximum cakes? It is Pastry Bakery because 93 is the highest amount here. Next is so 93, that means Pastry Bakery you will write. Which bakery has made maximum sale? Let us see. Maximum sale is it will be 420. So it will be Cake Bakery. All are in 200s, but this is 420. So the answer is Cake Bakery. Okay. Now, which bakery has sold least bottle of cold drinks? Let us see cold drinks. This is 12 is least. So John Bakery is the answer. Next question is, which bakery has sold maximum packs of biscuit? Let us see biscuits. Maximum packs is 133, so it will be Cake Bakery. Next is, which bakery has least sales of all? Least sales of all is 233, that is Big Bakery. Okay. Next is, how many cakes are sold in total in Model Town? How many cakes are sold in total? 206 total cakes are sold. So, which bakery has sold maximum packs of chips? Chips. Let us see. 150 is the maximum. So, Cake Bakery has sold maximum packs of chips. Now, let us move on to next page. Look at the diagram and answer the following questions. Okay. So this is petrol pump. You can see the pictures and timing is also given. From here to here it takes 2 hours to reach. From here to here it takes to the flower shop 2 hours. From here to here 2 hours, and from here to here 1 hour. So Sue gets to petrol pump at lunch time. She drove for 4 hours. So where does Sue stop? You stopped at where? Petrol pump. Okay. The answer is petrol pump. The picture is given of petrol pump. So the answer is petrol pump. Where does you stop? It is petrol pump. Number B. How long did she drive? She drove for 4 hours. Okay. Add the hours between places. Find out what is 4 hours away from petrol pump. What is 4 hours away from petrol pump? 2 hours plus 2 hours. 4 hours means it is flower shop. Where did she start? She started from flower shop only to reach the petrol pump. So, because she drove 4 hours. She drove for 4 hours. So, the answer is flower shop. Sue and Rose each drive from house to lake. Okay, they both leave at the same time. Sue gets to the lake at 4 p.m. and Rose gets there at 5 p.m. So who drove past the flower shop? So Sue went through this way and Rose through this way. Sue reached in 4 p.m. and Rose reached in 5 p.m. That means 1 hour late. So who will be 1 hour late? Sue from this side, it took her 3 hours, 1 hour plus 2 hours, 3 hours. And Rose went from this side, so 2 hours plus 2 hours, 4 hours. So this side Rose, that means Rose. Question is, who drove past the flower shop? That means Rose drove past the flower shop. This is the answer. Rose. Juan drives from flower shop to house. He starts at 6. Rose drives from petrol pump to house. She wants to get to house at the same time as Juan. Should Rose start before or after 6? So, Juan drives from flower shop to house. Okay, from flower shop to house. It will take him 2 hours. And he starts at 6. And Rose drives from petrol pump to house. From petrol pump to house, it will take 1 hour. Okay. So, she wants to get to the house at the same time as Juan should Rose. Rose started before. Should Rose start before or after 6? So, if Juan starts at 6, it will take him 2 hours to reach. And Rose wants to reach at same time. So, Rose has to start after 6 because time taken from petrol pump to house is 1 hour. Okay, so it will be after 6. So children, here we end our class. In the next class, we will begin chapter number 41, that is ranking. Okay, till then take care, bye and thank you children.